Alright, today we're going to take a look at an Usborne flap book. It's See Inside the Universe. The See Inside books are good for the older elementary students, generally around 7 or 8 and above. This one has contents here of where's the universe, place in space, the beginning, end, etc. And then the great thing about these is they all have a lot of flaps with either questions on the outside and answers inside, or just more information about whatever the thing is that you're lifting up. Okay, go ahead and turn the page.
Hey.
A couple other pages. So where we are in space, some funny little astronauts flying around. Okay, go ahead and turn the page. We don't have to see all the flaps, we're just kind of getting an overview. Talks about the Big Bang, and then the end. Can you flip that one up? The life and death of planet Earth. What would happen to the sun and stars, so some theories there. Okay. And then it tells us about what things are made of, diagrams of atoms. Okay, go ahead and just flip through. Seeing the universe, how we can view things in the universe, the science that they use. A brief history of astronomy, which is really interesting. I really liked this page. We followed the little timeline all around. It's not just a straight timeline, so it's fun to just kind of follow along and see the early astronomers and scientific discoveries. And then just some amazing parts, wonders of the universe, and also the big questions. So it's a really nice book, and it is $14.99, Usborne Flat Book See Inside the Universe.